Hello and welcome to Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley, and today I am looking at the M3 Electric Air Duster by K&F Concept. So what we have here is a manual, I have a warranty card, a very nice bag, microfiber cleaning cloth, different nozzles. This one's filtered, so I believe this is for the vacuum function of it. I believe it has vacuum function. All kinds of different nozzles and brushes, like a little small vacuum cleaner set. And here is the unit itself, USB-C powered. Looks very powerful. Comes with a charging cord and a lanyard, and I believe this is a cleaning brush. Whoa, okay. Whoa. Okay, as you can see, it's a very powerful blower. Okay, so there's 3 speeds. 1, 2, 3. Wow, very impressive. It even has a light. You can see inside your computer or whatever you're dusting out. And that's just, you just tap the power button. Okay, so this very strong. And that goes on the back, and then all the blower functions go out the front. Oop. Wow, this thing is like super powerful. I like it. Oh, yeah, very nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this to my garage. My son's computer has not been dusted for probably since we installed this 5080 a year ago. And we have construction all around us and the computers get really dusty inside. So we're going to try this out on that, and then we'll wrap this thing up. La 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 la. Okay, as you can see, my son's computer has quite a bit of dust on it, and as the computer says, and you will hear, it's been neglected a little bit the last year. So we are going to clean it up. Let's get to it.
Look at my dust. I'm so dusty. I can't believe it. This douchebag that plays on me every single day doesn't clean me at all. It's bullshit. So when I start acting up and he gets mad, it's his fault, but he doesn't act like it. Dickwad.
Yeah, I'm totally leaving that in the video.
Wow, look at that. I feel better already.
All right, I would love to thank K&F Concept for sending this awesome, powerful blower to me. As you could see, it cleaned out my son's computer amazingly. And yeah, always wear some sort of dust mask or something when doing this sort of thing. Yeah, this thing works amazing. I highly recommend this one. I'd also like to thank my viewers and subscribers, and if you like this sort of thing, please like and subscribe, and if you want to know when my next one's out, please click the bell icon. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.